How to enable autoplay feature on YouTube. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to enable autoplay feature on YouTube. It's a handy feature that makes your video watching experience seamless. Start by launching the YouTube application on your device. Choose any video you would like to watch. Once the video starts playing, you will notice an on-off toggle for autoplay. Locate the autoplay toggle button in the video interface. By clicking on it or switching it on, you can activate the autoplay feature. By enabling autoplay, when the current video finishes, the next video in the queue will automatically start playing. You will see a countdown before the next video begins. To customize your autoplay settings, you can often find additional options in the app settings. This allows you to control aspects like whether autoplay should only work on Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now sit back and enjoy an uninterrupted viewing experience as YouTube seamlessly transitions from one video to the next. That's how you can leverage the autoplay feature on YouTube. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.